I'm Dr. Aurelian, originally from Cameroon, an obstetrician and gynecologist by profession. I came to Milan for the purpose of 1-year fellowship in clinical embryology, and it was actually a very good training for many reasons. First, because we had good teachers like Ashraf sir and Jirib sir, who were always there to guide us. And during that training, we spent a lot of time in embryo lab. So there we had the opportunity to make a lot of embryology procedures, such as follicular fluid screening, embryo transfer, embryo and oocyte freezing, embryo and oocyte thawing, and also we were working on ICSI machine. It was really a very good experience. During that training, we also work with real cases in embryo OT. So I have spent a very good time here and I really enjoy it. So the advice I can give to every doctor who want to learn or even improve their clinical embryology skills is to come to Milan. They won't be disappointed. Thank you.